Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Thanks for joining me today. The product in focus is the Hamilton Beach Go Sport Portable Blender 511143G, a personal-size blender marketed as a fast, grab-and-go solution for smoothies, shakes, and icy drinks. I'll walk you through how it performs, what it promises, and whether it's worth your money. Right off the bat, this blender comes with a 20-aughts, approximately 591 milliliters Tritan travel jar that doubles as your drinking cup, a motor base rated for up to 600 watts peak power, stainless steel blades, 2 speed settings plus a pulse function, dishwasher-safe components, a built-in cord wrap for compact storage, and a 3-year limited warranty. The idea is that it solves a common pain point. You want a smoothie or shake, you don't want to haul out a full-size blender, you want to blend directly into a to-go cup and carry it with you. The compact nature addresses small kitchens or single servings, the travel jar format tackles the cleanup transport hassle, and the 600W rating suggests it should handle tougher ingredients like frozen fruit or ice. In practical use, I found the setup straightforward. Plug the base in, fit the jar, remove lid, add ingredients, secure lid, choose speed or pulse, and blend. For testing, I used a variety of ingredients: fresh fruit, banana berries, frozen fruit chunks, ice cubes, leafy greens for a green smoothie, and also tried a thicker blend, yogurt plus frozen banana plus peanut butter, and a lighter mix, fruit juice. The travel jar concept works very nicely. Once blended, you just snap on the sipping lid with no need to decant. The wipe down and dishwasher safe parts make cleanup simple. Performance was good on the fresh fruit and moderate on frozen fruit and ice. The 600W motor handled frozen berries and bananas fairly smoothly. When I added larger ice cubes, I found I needed to use the pulse mode and a little extra blending time to avoid chunks. On a leafy green heavy smoothie, spinach plus kale's frozen mango, I observed a little fibrous texture remained. Not entirely silky smooth, but still drinkable. Storage is easy. The base is compact, and the cord wrap is a nice touch. It fits in a standard cupboard without demanding a lot of space. Now, what stood out as strengths? The blending in the travel jar design is genuinely convenient. The build from a usability standpoint, lid, jar markings, dishwasher safe, is well executed, and for its size, the motor offers more than many ultra-budget personal blenders. On the flip side, the areas where it fell short. While marketed as crush ice, in heavier ice-only or very frozen mixes, it required more time and wasn't quite as punchy as some higher-end personal blenders. The travel jar, while handy, means you're limited to one serving size, 20-aughts, and you may wish for extra jars if you're sharing. And the corded design, rather than cordless, means you need a plug point. Fine for home, less so if you hoped to use it completely on the move. If the lid isn't tightened properly, small drips can happen when carrying the jar. Some users might find the 20-aught size too small for larger shakes or sharing. Turning to value for money, if this blender is priced in the ballpark of 30 to 40 pounds or equivalent, then for someone needing a compact, single-serve smoothie maker, it offers reasonable value. You're getting a respected brand, a 3-year warranty, dishwasher-safe parts, a travel jar design, and decent motor power. However, if you compare it to slightly more expensive models, for example, some personal blenders with 700-900 watts, multiple travel jars, or cordless functionality, then you may find more performance or flexibility elsewhere. So the value depends on your needs. For solo use, simple smoothies, on-the-go convenience, it hits the mark. For heavy-duty blending, multiple servings, or higher ice capacity, you might want to invest a bit more. In terms of comparisons, one direct alternative is the slightly larger capacity personal blender from the same brand or other brands in the 40 to 60 pound range, offering 700 to 900 watts power, extra jars, or additional speed settings. For instance, if you compare to a blender offering 1000 watts with multiple jar sizes for sharing, this Hamilton Beach unit falls short in sheer power and versatility. On the other hand, compared to ultra-budget models, 20-25 pounds, with weaker motors and fewer features, the Go Sport stands out. So if you're comparing, it's stronger than many low-cost single-serve blenders, but weaker than higher-tier options built for multi-serving, tougher blends, or frequent heavy use. Looking briefly at build quality and longevity, The jar is made from Trident copolyester, which is shatter-resistant compared to glass, and the blades are stainless steel. That's solid for a personal blender. The cord wrap and compact base suggest the design considered storage and user convenience. Since this is a relatively inexpensive personal appliance, long-term reliability data is limited, but the brand's backing and 3-year limited warranty give confidence. As with most personal blenders, the motor may have limits if continuously used for very tough tasks, ice plus frozen fruit, leafy greens frequently. But for regular personal use, it seems trustworthy. On customer support, I did not personally contact support, but the 3-year limited warranty is generous in this category. The brand has a decent reputation in small appliances. If issues arise, the fact of a warranty and parts availability, jar, blade assembly, gives peace of mind. Here's my final verdict. The Hamilton Beach Go Sport Portable Blender 51143G delivers a compelling package for anyone seeking a single-serve blender that goes straight from blending to drinking without additional containers. It solves the common pain point of blending, transfer, cleaning, and carrying. For everyday smoothie or shake users who don't need professional-level performance or large serving sizes, it is a well-balanced choice. If you find yourself blending heavy ice mixes often, sharing shakes, or needing multi-jar flexibility, there are stronger options, but they cost more. In summary, if your lifestyle is on the go, you want one reliable personal blender, you value convenience over high-end performance, this is a solid pick. Thank you for watching, and if you've already got this blender, let me know your thoughts in the comments box. For a link to purchase, check the comments below. Until next time, keep it smooth and happy blending here on Reviews Inside TV.